Families in Canada have become increasingly diverse over time.
A map of Canada filled with faceless black figures of various shapes and sizes. The black figures become multicolored.
There is much to be celebrated in these family diversities, and we are learning about the rich mosaic that they create. But while some families are thriving, many are marginalized.
3 circles appear depicting 3 families. Inside the first is a brown-skinned woman and child wearing Islamic clothing. In the second circle, a white-skinned man, woman, and child play together. And the third contains 6 people of varying ages and skin tones.
Building an inclusive society requires an understanding of the roots of the inequalities that affect family well-being.
On an animated tree, the 3 family circles are placed on different branches. A magnifying glass appears and focuses on the roots of the tree.
The Family Diversities and Wellbeing framework provides a structured way to think about the relationships between family diversities and the well-being of families.
Words appear: family well-being, along with 3 graphics: family structure, family work, and family identity.
It looks at family diversity through 3 lenses that offer insights into key sources of inequalities that families experience.
The family structure graphic is represented by a tree.
The family structure lens focuses on how people are linked together through the connections they have with their family members. This lens examines the different ways people come together to form and grow different kinds of families.
Inside 4 circles, different families are depicted. A mixed-race family of 4 with 1 person in a wheelchair. A same-sex couple with different skin colors. A woman with 3 children, and a multi-generational family.
How these relationships are recognized in legislation or in social convention, and highlights inequalities that impact their well-being.
2 graphic staircases are shown. On one, a family of 4 appears to be ascending. On the other, a woman holding a baby stands at the bottom.
The family work lens explores how families meet their diverse needs through paid employment and unpaid work.
The family work graphic is represented by interlocking gears.
This lens explores how various paid and unpaid activities are distributed within families, the demands that this work places on people and their families, and how these patterns differ among families and change across the life cycle.
Inside 4 circles, various jobs are depicted. A man carries a toddler. A woman does laundry. 2 people work in an office. A woman helps a senior in a wheelchair.
The family identity lens focuses on how families view themselves and how they are perceived by others.
The family identity graphic is represented by a face looking in a mirror.
Whether rooted in culture, religion, race, sexual and gender identity, indigeneity, ethnicity, disability, or a combination of these factors, these identities can create a sense of belonging to a larger community.
In 4 circles, 4 different scenarios are depicted. A brown-skinned man, woman, and 2 children play together. A multi-generational family poses for a portrait. A group gathers around a newborn baby. A woman wearing a headscarf hugs a girl.
But identities can also be imposed on families in ways that exclude them from full participation in society and threaten their well-being.
A graphic depicts a colorful jigsaw puzzle. A random piece depicting a woman with 3 children does not fit into the puzzle.
Each lens provides distinct but interrelated insights. All contribute to an understanding of family well-being that includes material, relational, and subjective components.
A Venn diagram appears with the words family well-being in the center. The 3 interlocking circles contain the words material, relational, and subjective.
The Family Diversities and Wellbeing framework is a roadmap for understanding family diversities, helping those with an interest in family well-being to map what is known, identify knowledge gaps, and strengthen the national capacity to address the inequalities that many families experience.
A graphic of a roadmap. A magnifying glass stops at points along the way, identifying the various types of families previously seen inside circles. Then, a map of Canada, filled with black figures of various sizes and shapes. The black figures become multicolored.
Learn more about the Family Diversities and Wellbeing Framework at www.vanierinstitute.ca.
Logo: the Vanier Institute of the Family.